The main function of the MPD team is twofold really. One, it's an internal function so that any ingredient or flavour that's developed is tested in-house so that we can provide our sales team with the right tonalities, descriptors and usage rates to recommend to our customers. The second function is very much closely working with customers on customer briefs, so they will come to us with a product that they want flavouring, sometimes a product that they're having a problem with, and we'll work very closely with them to try and rectify that problem with a solution. So here at TasteTech, our application facilities have expanded since I've been here actually, which is 3 years. We've now got a custom-built bakery lab to cover the bakery customers, with the laboratory we're sat in, which is multifunctional, so we can do nutrition or confectionery. We've also got an analytical lab with GCMS machines for analysing products. So although we're a relatively small company, we're actually really well kitted out to serve the markets that we work in. I would say that TasteTech is different to some larger companies in their approach to R&D and MPD, in the fact that we deal with large customers right through to very small customers, but generally our approach is the same. We like to get really close to our customers, work with them. That could be them coming here to work with us in an MPD day, or us visiting their facilities so we gain a better understanding of how they work and the ingredients and issues that they sometimes have. For me, the best thing about TasteTech is that it's still a family-owned business, and I like the fact that Janice's door is always open. You don't have to wait 3 weeks to see the MD. She's just over in the other building, you can just knock. And so any issues or problems that we've got can very quickly be resolved. So we have a quick turnover of decision making. I think people should choose to work with TasteTech for various reasons. One is that we work with everyone from small customers up to really large customers. Our minimum order quantities are smaller than some of the other flavour houses, for example. Also, TasteTech has very strong values and loyalty to its customers, so people when they come to us know they'll get a good bespoke service.